Hello, great viewers. Now we have interesting logarithm problem involving simultaneous equation. Now let's solve solution. Now I want to assume this to be a log s to the base of 6 equal to a and log of y to the base of 6 to be b. Now let's move on. So this will give us a minus minus b equal to 1, then a plus b equal to 3. Now, since we have different signs, we add. So 1a minus 1a will give us 2a. Negative positive we go. So you have 1 plus 3 to get 4. If you divide both sides by 2, a becomes equal to 2. Now to get b, this equation 1 and 2. To get b, substitute a into equation 1. So this will give us 2 minus b equal to 1. Now transpose your 2 minus b equals to 1 minus 2. So this minus 1 minus b, negative we go, b is equals to 1. So we have our a and b. Now recall that we've assumed here. So I'm substituting a into this. So recall that log s base of 6 is equal to a and log of y to the base of 6 is equal to b. So I'm replacing this with 2. So log of s to the base of 6 is equal to 2 and log of y to the base of 6 is equal to 1. Now recall that log a to the base of b is equal to c. Now if you take, this is the argument equal to the base raised to the exponent. Now this will give us s is equal to 6 raised to power 2. Therefore the second one, y, is equal to 6 raised to 1. Therefore s will give us 6 squared will give us 36 and y 6 raised to 1 will give us 6. These are the two answers that satisfy this equation. Follow us for more content, subscribe and get more notification. Bye.